reading the news these days, and everyone is talking about rising fuel prices, cost of inflation, RBA trying to think about increasing the rates further, and policies from federal and state governments around reducing the housing crisis. Some of them are saying first home buyers might get further grants or exemptions, and everything around CGT, and there's a lot of distraction and noise out there. But if you really consider real estate as a long-term asset and banking as an industry that has survived centuries and will exist almost forever, then all these noises are mere distractions. You rather have to stay focused on your goals and what you want to do. Rising rates, panic in the market is actually a good thing in some shape and form for investors who have borrowing capacity. So you got to feel blessed and be thankful that you still have borrowing capacity and you still have access to equity and deposits to buy, because this is the right time when the competition is lower or at its lowest possible. When the interest rates start reducing, if that happens at some point, you will get more competition, which means prices will go further up. So this is a good time, and timing can only get better for investors if rates increase further. See, again, to understand, rate increase does have an impact on your borrowing capacity, but if you use these structures correctly and lending policies, you can actually take away a lot of pressure. You can actually absorb. So the right structures, right strategy would help you absorb, like cushion, some of those rate shocks. But if you are late in the game, or you think structure is not for you, or you want to chase the lowest rates and not worry about the lending policies, then you are in for a rude shock that you would be exhausted a lot earlier than you should have been. And we have got classic case studies. So our historical experience and our delivery to our clients explains this very clearly, that right strategy in whatever markets you are in, you can actually able to multiply your borrowing or your ability to build your assets by at least 4 to 5 times. This is what we were doing 3 years back. This is what we are doing now. Yes, some options have been cut short by the banking choices, like Macquarie pulled out of it, but then that's not the end of the world. There are still plenty of options to use these structures. And the more changes you see in the economy, especially inflation, higher interest rates, etc., the more important these structures and these strategies are going to become. Think like this: you are making your biggest purchases in real estate, and if you do not want to invest yourself in right strategy and right structures, you are almost signing up for super expensive, costly mistakes. And costly mistakes is not just about a few $1,000s here and there that I'm talking about. I'm talking costly mistakes in terms of your wealth creation ability in 30-year time frame. So instead of 5 properties, if you exhaust yourself at 1 or 2 properties, or instead of 10 properties, you exhaust yourself at about 3 properties, you have actually cut short your wealth creation opportunity by that very time. So it's almost 1/3 of what was the possibility. That's a huge blow to your investment and your wealth creation goals from investing, if you really ask me. So structures and right strategy can make a huge difference in your ability to deal with banks and lenders, and your ability to build a portfolio. If this is sounding something of interest to you, we'll help you with the right strategies and structures. See, understand, we are not for lowest rates. We are not rate chasers. We are not about one transaction band-aid solutions. We are about long-term strategic collaboration, working together in partnerships and creating some meaningful headway for you to build a better and a bigger portfolio, whether it's real estate, whether it's commercial, whether it's buying businesses, whatever that means. If it is anything to do with banking, then we are in the game. You need to pick your partners wisely. And if you want to research about us, look at our Google reviews, reach out to our clients, and look at some of the historical or even current outcomes that we are driving for our clients. We are super proud and with all humility about the results that we create, better than anyone else would provide you. And this is our experience. This is what clients are telling us. For most of my clients, I'm not the first person in finance that's helping them. I'm possibly the 5th or the 10th person they are talking to. And yet they're saying none of the previous ones had the view or the lens that we have in the business, and which is super special. So if you really want to take the best benefit out of our expertise, then what I'm saying, we are here to help you. Talk soon.